you want to talk about?
Okay, guys, so hi. It's me, and that's Emma, and we're going to do a review on an air horn from the dollar store. So what did you think about this air horn?
It's crap. It doesn't
crap.
work.
Okay, what made you buy this?
It looked cool in the package.
It looked cool in the package. What was the packaging like?
It was colorful.
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Was it on there?
Yes.
It was?
No.
What? Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah. We went to the dollar store and she just kind of came over. She's a loser.
Yeah. Definitely.
We took pictures. Because we're cool like that. And yeah. I did our makeup. That's why it looks good. I did mine too. That's why it looks better.
Mm-hmm.
See, look. Get close to the camera. Look at them. Stare at their souls, man. Stare at their souls. Okay, so yeah, we have really nothing important to say. Subscribe to me. She subscribed to me. She doesn't even have a YouTube account, but she subscribed, right?
Yeah, I did.
She's cool. She's a cool kid. Yeah. Oh no! It's gonna explode! Run! Okay, that's all.